Hello students, in the last episodes we have discussed the ESET mathematics for entrance purpose, but the entrance was postponed, so we'll take a little gap, and from today onwards I'll start the intermediate lecture series, first year and second year, both papers, paper A and paper B. Now from today onwards I'll teach the intermediate, first year, paper A and paper B. Now if I take paper B of 4 marks weightage chapter, immediately I'll take the same weightage, 4 marks weightage in the paper A. So paper B, paper A, or if I take paper A, then it is paper B. Okay. So in this way I'll teach. So weekly not less than 4 to 5 videos I'll upload, and utilize this opportunity and then practice well, then work out the number of problems. Now I'll be following the Telugu academic textbook only. So you also follow the Telugu academic textbook for intermediate exam point of view, not entrance point of view. Okay. So now we'll start the paper B, introduction to 2D geometry. That is your first 0 chapter. After that, locus. Next 2D geometry having locus, change of axis, straight lines and pair of straight lines. This is complete 2D geometry. This introduction to 2D geometry, already you have studied all the basic concepts in your previous class, that is in 10th class, in 9th class you have studied. So all those main points I will discuss once. Then we'll go to the actual syllabus, locus. It is of weightage 4 marks. Now first, in introduction to 2D geometry, you know there are two perpendicular lines which are intersecting at a point. Here this is introduction to 2D geometry. Introduction to 2D geometry. In this introduction, the two perpendicular lines. These two perpendicular lines are intersecting at a point. So this point is called origin. This is x-axis, and left to O is x dash, above O is y, and this is y dash. Okay. These are the two perpendicular lines intersecting at O. O2 right side, this is x, and this is positive side, and this is negative. Left to O, negative. Above O, this is positive and this is negative. Therefore, the two lines divide the plane into 4 equal parts. The 4 parts are called 4 quadrants. This is your first quadrant, this is your second quadrant, and third quadrant. This is the fourth quadrant. So in these 4 quadrants, there are infinite number of points, and each point is of 2 coordinates. One coordinate from x-axis and the other coordinate from y-axis. Now we will discuss the sign of the points in different quadrants. So here in the first quadrant, the point is having 2 coordinates. First coordinate, this is a positive, so first positive, next also positive, this is plus plus. And in second quadrant, x a negative, therefore this is a negative, and y is positive, right? Next, in third quadrant, it is minus minus, because negative y, negative x. and here in fourth quadrant positive x and negative y. This is plus minus. So the two lines intersect at O. These are perpendicular at O, dividing the plane into four parts: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. And these are the sign of the coordinates of the points in different quadrants. Okay. Next, you have also studied the distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Distance between A x1 y1 B x2 y2 is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance between 2 points. Already you have studied in 9th class and 10th class. So distance between 2 points, you can take x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1, because square is there. If you get negative or positive, it becomes positive only. Therefore positive, positive. So y2 minus y1 whole square or y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the distance between 2 points A and B. So next one is a distance between O 0 0 and P x comma y is under root x square plus y square, because one of the point is 0 0. Therefore x2 minus x1 whole square or x1 minus x2 whole square. X minus 0 whole square is x square. Y minus 0 whole square is y square. So this is distance between origin to any point xy is root of x square plus y square. Next, distance between A x1 comma 0 B x2 comma 0 is, here x1 comma 0 is a point on x-axis, because y coordinate is 0, means it is lies on x-axis. This is also lies on x-axis. Therefore, simply the distance is equal to x1 minus x2 mod. Take the difference with positive. This is called the distance between 2 points. No need to write x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Simply, whenever y coordinates are zeros, then simply take the difference of x coordinates. Then it's a modulus. Similarly, a point on y-axis is 0 comma y1, 0 comma y2. So here the distance between 0 comma y1, 0 comma y2 is modulus of y1 minus y2. This is the distance between 2 points. These points lies on y-axis. Whenever x coordinates are 0, these points lies on y-axis. So simply difference of these two, its modulus is called the distance between 2 points. So distance between 2 points, and here one of the point is origin. These 2 points lies on x-axis, 2 points lies on y-axis. Next we have, here is a line AB, AX1 Y1, BX2 Y2, and a point P is dividing AB in the ratio m is to n internally. Whenever the point lies inside, it is called internally. The point lies outside, it is called external. So this is called internal division. Then the coordinates of the point P are mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. These are the coordinates of the point P, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. When internal division, you get the plus. When external division, this is internal division. Internal division. Next, this is external division. B, A, and here is P, dividing in the same ratio m is to n externally, then the point P dash, I said P dash coordinates are mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. These are the coordinates of P dash. Okay, this is external division. Next, what is meant by equal division? That equal division is equal division A and B, another point is some Q. Equal division means what? 1 is to 1 ratio. Instead of m and n, it is 1, 1. Then the point coordinates become x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is what the midpoint. So, Q, midpoint, this is midpoint or equal division. Equal division is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. These are the coordinates of the point Q. This is internal division, external division and midpoint. Okay, internal division, external division and midpoint. The next point is points of trisection. Here points of trisection. Now AB is a line. There are 2 points P and Q. P is dividing the line AB in the ratio of 1:2 and Q is dividing AB in the ratio of 2:1. So the points which divide the line in the ratio of 1:2 or 2:1, these division points are called points of trisection. So 2:1 or 1:2, then P comma Q are called points of trisection. Points of trisection. Points of trisection. These are points of trisection. Next one is area of triangle. Area of triangle. Here in area of triangle, the triangle vertices are A, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. Then triangle area will denote by delta. Delta is equal to half of determinant. You take the column wise point coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x1, y1. Then you expand this determinant. This is equal to half of modulus x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This is first 2 by 2 det. x1 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x2 y3 x2 y3 minus x3 y2 x3 y2 plus x3 y1 minus x3 y1 minus x1 y3. This is the area of the triangle formed by the 3 points. If one of the point is origin, then the formula is simple. Now area of triangle formed by O 0 0 A x1 y1 B x2 y2 is half determinant. This is modulus x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This is the area of the triangle formed by the 3 points, one of the vertex is origin, x1, y1, x2, y2, then this is the area of the triangle. Now similarly, you can extend the formula for area of the quadrilateral. So quadrilateral means having 4 vertices. The same 4 vertices x3, y3, x4, y4. Then half of write the coordinates like x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, x1, y1. Then according to this you expand the determinant. Then you get the area of the quadrilateral. Okay. Now these are some of the points in introduction chapter. Already you know all these formulas without proofs, right? Without proofs I have given all these synopsis. Here there is no weightage for this 0 chapter. This is only revision point of view. Okay. Already x-axis, y-axis, its intersection. Right, you know origin, x-axis, y-axis, and then quadrants. Next, distance between the points. After that, division points, internal, external, equal division points. After that, the area of the triangle. Next, another points of trisection. Points of trisection 1:2, 2:1 division points. These are called points of trisection. Area of the triangle with different coordinates. Now listen the students, according to the weightage I will be teaching the syllabus. Okay. In some chapter there are no long questions, only essay, only short answer questions are there, only weightage of 4 marks. I will be teaching only that much of weightage problems only. If a chapter is not containing 2 marks questions, I will not teach that 2 marks questions. If a chapter is not having essay questions, then I will teach only 2 marks weightage or 4 marks weightage. According to the weightage only I will be teaching. And some sample problems, important examination point of view problems I will teach. After that, for reference, you take the Telugu Academy textbook and then you work out the remaining problems. Then simply the chapter will complete. First time you prepare in this way, and then second time you do more problems. You take another series, whatever it is. And the third time, that will, in third time, you take only examination important questions and then prepare. Okay. Now we'll go to the locus chapter. The locus chapter is of weightage 4 marks, right? Only one short answer question is there, right?